you're a beginner crypto trader, I think this video is the video you need to watch. And make sure you save this video for future purpose, because this video is a secret that most people calling themselves professional trader don't want you to know. As a beginner, you need to understand this crypto trading secret that will allow you to grow multiple accounts. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video, and if you gain value out of this, make sure you hit the like button. All right, so let's jump to it. As a beginner trader, you have this kind of illusion that, okay, you can fund your account with $20, $10, and actually like turn that $20 or $10 to a very big account in just a matter of weeks of trading. And this illusion has been created in your head by those who call themselves a professional trader. So today I'm going to be sharing you the secrets so you can actually know how to preserve your capital, and don't follow people that they attempt to deceive you so you can lose your $10 or $20 trading capital. In trading, there's no rule to any amount that you can start up with. You can actually start trading with $5 as long as you know what you're actually doing, you have the principle and you have the rules set and you stick to it without violating it. So there's no limit to how much you can make in the market as long as you keep this rule and principle. So let me show you a typical example on how you can grow your $20 into 20,000 and furthermore. And after I share this secret with you, you are going to be clear and start like unfollow a lot of people that are calling themselves a professional trader, because I'm going to be sharing you the secrets behind this. So let's take any Telegram signal group for example. So let's say those so-called themselves professional trader, they are like sending you a signal, and in that signal you are seeing 50x cross leverage. What that means is that let's say you have $20 trading accounts that you funded that you want to be using to trade, open to grow the account to multiple 6-figure or 8-figure. So in this aspect, you are putting yourself at a very high risk, and this is what it means. So let's say this Telegram group that you join is kind of considerable. Let's say they put their stop loss at 1% drop, and some, let's say 2% drop. So let's take the example for the 1% drop. Let's say the signal group that you join actually send a signal about Bitcoin/USDT that they are going to be shorting Bitcoin. And when they send out this signal, they are going to be putting stop loss. So let's say they put stop loss at 1%. Like I said, we are going to be using the 1% drop, for example. And also, I'm going to be explaining the 2% drop as well. So let's talk about the 1% drop. So they put this stop loss at 1%. So what this means is that at that 1%, what they do is that they've actually like put you on a very high risk, no matter the trading capital you are trading with, because they are using 50x leverage. And let me show you what this means. So let's say they use 50x leverage and they put their stop loss at a, let's say, considerable like 1% drop. So what this means is that once they are using the leverage, what leverage means is that is a multiplier. It's going to be multiplying the stop loss and also your profits as well. So in this case, if Bitcoin drop that 1% drop, it means it has dropped 50%. That is the meaning of that 50x that you are seeing. And the other way around, if it move upward, it means if it move upward 1%, using the 50x level, it also means that Bitcoin has actually moved 50% gains. So now for those that are trading with $20. So what this means is that, so in that signal that those so-called themselves professional trader actually give you guys, when they give you Bitcoin/USDT that they are going to be shorting, and they are putting their stop loss at 1% drop using 50x leverage. So you that are trading with $20, what this means is that if the trade go against them, like the trade go back to its like all-time high, what this means is that it hits their stop loss, which is 1%, and using the multiplier of 50x, that means that Bitcoin has what moved 50%. Share you get. So now in that your $20 trading account, you are going to be losing 50% of that $20. So what that means is that you are going to be losing 50% of that your trading account, which is, let's say you are trading with $20 or $10. So 50% of $20, you should do the math. You know you are only left with half of your trading account. If you take another trade and it go against you again, you are going to be roasting that account and you are going to be blowing it up. So that is the main reason why whenever you join a Telegram group that are using a very super high leverage, you should instantly quit. This is how to know that people that are behind those signal doesn't know what is trading. This is a signal to tell you that that signal group that you are in, those people that are actually coordinating it and calling themselves so-called professional trader, doesn't know trading. They are just like gambling in the market. So you need to pay close attention to this so you're not going to be roasting your account. Like I said, there's no limit to any amount that you can start trading with. So you can even start trading with $5. I've run a competition before whereby I started trading with $10, and within 2 weeks I grew that $10 to around 120k or so. So this is just to tell you that trading has principle and rules. If you can stick and abide to the rules without violating it, it's actually rewarding you for what? For being a patient and what? Obedience to the market. Yes, I mean obedience for obedience, guys. So this is gonna be rewarding you for being consistent and keep to the rules and principles that govern trading. Don't just join any Telegram group. Any Telegram group that you're seeing that you're using a very super high leverage, you are not going to be what? You are not going to be consistent. You are going to be roasting down your trading account in no time. You might win today, win tomorrow, the next day you blow all your winnings. So needs to stick to that and make sure you understand what you are doing. Don't just join trading for the purpose of flipping accounts. You are not going to be last long in the market. You are going to be what? Roasting down your account in no time. And this is what I want you guys to know. So if you are trading with $20, make sure you keep your risk management as tight as possible so that you can able to grow that $20 to 6-figure or even 8-figure. It's very achievable. Don't let anybody deceive you that it's only when you flip account you can grow $20 into multiple 6-figure. They are not going to tell you the truth. That is impossible. When you flip account today, tomorrow you blow it up. That is the principle. If you cannot stay with the principle of trading, don't join crypto trading, especially trading some high volatile currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You need to save this video for future reference. This is a secret that they don't want you to know. Using leverage is very risky unless you understand what you're actually doing. So if you're actually interested, you can actually join my trading room where I give a very impactful knowledge about how you can actually like use proper risk management to multiply your trading capital without putting so much risk on yourself to grow the account to multiple figures. So I hope this video was helpful. If it did, hit the like button and don't forget to save this video for future reference because this video is a secret, might not be online forever. So this will be a guide for you to stay caution about those scam traders that are telling you they understand trading, calling themselves so-called professional trader. They don't know what they are doing. If they know what they are doing, they will understand that using super high leverage is one of the risks break the principle and rules in trading, and it's very super risky. That is not going to be making you to go anywhere with any trading account. You are going to be blowing it up in no time. So this is a signal to actually tell you that those communities that you are joining, they don't know what they are doing. When you are seeing them using super high risk, they are actually gambling. You are not going to be successful or profitable in using their signal to trade. You are going to be blowing multiple accounts without even achieve anything, and you get wrecked and roasted. So stay caution, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye for now.